Hello again everyone and welcome to another eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Upper Deck SB Authentic box break number 5. Here's the last team up for auction. Edmonton. Straight the serial number NE163219-926. Let's get on with the break. Good luck, everybody. Hoping for a Fusion Hopkins rookie card or even a patch of anyone. That'd be great. There is a rookie subset, and it's extended set. There's a hit in one of every 2 packs. So those will be shipped out to everybody. I'll just read the name off when I say them. I won't say base. Here we go. Pack number 1. And just to let you know, I will be saying base a lot. Base, 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 and decoy. SB Essentials, hit for the New Jersey Devils of Zach Parise. And now, base, signed that big contract with the Wild. Base, base, base. Timo Hartikainen, hit for the Edmonton Oilers. Decoy, base. Base, base. John Moore, hit for the Blue Jackets. Decoy, base, and base. Base, base, base. A rookie Hall of FX, hit for the Montreal Canadiens of Aaron Palushai. Decoy, and base. Base, base, base. Decoy, base, and base. Base, 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 decoy. SB Essentials, hit for the Capitals of Alex Ovechkin. Base. Base, base, base. Scott Timmins, hit for the Panthers. Decoy, and base. Last pack of the first row. Base, base. Thomas Finseur, hit for the Stars. Decoy, base, and base. Next row. Base, base. Roman Wick, here for the Senators. Decoy, base, and base. Base, base, base. Decoy, base, and base. Still waiting on that first auto. Base, base, base. Decoy, base, and base. Base, base, base. Decoy, base, and base. Base, base. Adam Larson, hit for the Devils. Decoy, base, and base. base, base. Here's the first one. It's a Future Watch hit for the Carolina Hurricanes of Justin Falk, 474 to 999. Decoy, base, and base. And there's a patch in this one. Base, 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 base. You have a beautiful 2-color patch. It's a limited auto patch hit for the Dallas Stars of Mike McDaniel. Nice hit. The Dallas Stars. Nice 2-color patch. And base. So not a bad hit for that box. Base, base, base. It's a Future Watch hit for the Edmonton Oilers of Timu Hardikainen, 896 out of 999. Decoy and base. Last row. Base, base, base. A Rookie Hall of X hit for the New Jersey Devils of Adam Larson. Decoy and base. And base, base. Louis LeBlanc hit for the Montreal Canadiens. Decoy, base, and base. Base, base, base. Matt Campanelli hit for the Islanders. Decoy and base. Base, base, base. Jeremy Smith hit for the Predators. Decoy and base. Base, base, base. Oh, sorry. Brian Straight hit for the Penguins. Decoy, base, and base. 3 more to go. Base, base, base. Leonard Purcell hit for the Oilers. Decoy, and base. Base, base, base. Decoy, base, and base. And last pack. Base, base, base. Future Watch hit for the Columbus Blue Jackets of Ryan Russell, 180 out of 999. Decoy and base. So I just have a special announcement. If you haven't heard this message yet, I do have my own website up and running, breakawaysd.com. If you go to our site and register, your name will be put in for our monthly draw for July. I'll show you the cards in a minute that we're giving away. We're also going live on BlogTV tomorrow night at 6 p.m. with our first ever live group breaks. If you want to get in on the action, they're under the group break tab. The 2 are listed. I'll explain it to you quickly. The first one is a 29 spot break. It's a live team draft, 8-box case of Panini Titanium, and we also have another 10-box mix of Panini products. It's also a 29 spot break live draft as well of 2 contenders, 2 certified, 2 anthology, 2 limited, and 2 titanium. So how the draft works, if you're unfamiliar with group breaks, the team draft, how it happens is all 29 spots are put into random.org. We randomize the list. Could be 3, 4, or 5 times depending on what we agree on during the when we're on BlogTV. And if you end up on first on the list, you get first pick. So if you take Edmonton, you have Edmonton all through these 10 boxes. Same with the titanium 8-box case. So it goes through all the way down to the 29th person. The 29th person gets the last 2 teams, and we'll also send out a free pack to you for finishing last. But for our monthly giveaways, we're giving away this Gabriel Landeskog Panini Contenders card, and also this Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. And also, if you like us on Twitter, like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter, your name will be put in 2 additional times to our monthly draw. And also, for anybody that participates in a group break on Sunday night, your name will be put in, and we're giving away Ryan Nugent-Hopkins Young Gun rookie card. So hope to see everybody tomorrow night, and I appreciate you participating in a group break, and hope to see you again next time. So if you want, just register on the site, and we'll be live tomorrow night. Just click on the link on our website, and it'll take you right to our BlogTV page. So thanks again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.